Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best duck nose is probably one of the most surprisingly versatile and fun accessories you can add to your collection, transforming any outfit or occasion into an instant conversation starter. Whether you're aiming for comedic effect, a unique costume, or just want to bring a smile to someone's face with its distinctive charm and playful appeal, making it an essential item for anyone looking to inject a bit of whimsical flair into their day. Number 5. Sun-Staches Donald Duck Disney Sunglasses. Bring the fun of Disney to your look. These sunglasses add a touch of magic to any outfit or costume. Designed to comfortably fit most adults, they are perfect for fans of all ages who love Donald Duck. Enjoy comfort with their lightweight design. The impact-resistant lenses also provide essential UV 400 protection for your eyes. These are ideal for parties, Halloween, or creating fun videos. You can even wear them to theme parks for an immersive experience. Looking for a unique present? This item makes an excellent gift or party favor. It was even featured on the popular show, Shark Tank. What we like? These are perfect for adding a touch of Disney magic to your costume or vacation. They offer UV 400 protection, keeping your eyes safe while you stand out. If you're heading to a theme park or a themed party, these are an excellent choice. What people say? No reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as per the instructions. Number 4. OUFER 20G Nose Ring Studs. Discover the perfect blend of style and comfort with these elegant nose ring studs. They are designed to enhance your look effortlessly. Crafted from high-quality 316L stainless steel, these studs offer exceptional durability and a hypoallergenic experience. You can wear them with confidence every day. Featuring a classic L-shaped design, these rings provide a secure and comfortable fit. They are easy to insert and stay in place. Explore the distinctive spider L-bend style, adding a unique touch to your piercing. This design offers both aesthetic appeal and reliable wear. These versatile nose piercing jewels are suitable for both women and men. They make a stylish statement for anyone looking to express their individuality. What we like? These offer a subtle yet stylish way to accessorize your look with a unique L-shaped design. Made from durable stainless steel, they are comfortable for everyday wear. If you're looking for a small, distinctive piece of body jewelry that's both safe and fashionable, this is ideal. What people say? Number 3. JARBINS 3-pieces duck bill masks. Looking for a fun and easy way to change your appearance? These unique items are designed to add a playful touch to any outfit. Each package contains 3 distinct duck bill masks. They are perfect for sharing with friends or having multiple options. These are excellent animal mask costume accessories. They instantly give you a beak nose, transforming you into a duck character. Ideal for cosplay, they serve as funny props that enhance your character. They bring humor and authenticity to your role-playing. As a novelty item, they are fantastic for parties. You can use them as fun party favors that guests will surely enjoy. What we like? These are fantastic for bringing immediate humor and character to any gathering. Their funny duck bill design makes them perfect for group photos or themed events. If you're planning a party, a cosplay event, or just want to make people laugh, these props are a must-have. What people say? No positive product features found in the provided reviews. Please provide product reviews to extract features. Number 2. MizHome Unisex Soft Paw Claw Slippers. Experience unparalleled softness with these cozy home slippers. They are designed for ultimate relaxation after a long day, making every step a delight. Embrace a playful side with their unique paw claw design. These fun animal costume shoes are perfect for adding a touch of whimsy to your everyday. Whether you're lounging at home or attending a themed party, they are your go-to footwear. Their versatile design makes them suitable for various settings. Crafted from plush materials, they provide exceptional warmth and comfort. Your feet will thank you for the snug embrace these slippers offer. Looking for a unique present? These unisex slippers make an excellent gift for friends and family. Everyone will love their charming and comfortable design. What we like? These offer ultimate comfort and a touch of adorable animal charm for lounging at home. Their soft paw design makes them a cozy and fun addition to your indoor wear. If you love unique, comfortable footwear that also serves as a cute costume accessory around the house, these are perfect. What people say. Number 1. Chicken Plush Headband and Beak Kit. Ready to add some fun to your next event? This delightful kit lets you instantly become a charming chicken. It's perfect for parties, plays, or just a good laugh. Experience ultimate comfort with its plush faux fur headband. It feels gentle against your skin, ensuring you can wear it for hours without any discomfort. You'll love how soft it is. The accompanying beak is crafted from lightweight foam. This design ensures it's easy to wear and won't weigh you down. It completes your chicken transformation perfectly. Worried about it slipping? The beak features an adjustable strap for a secure and comfortable fit. It's designed to stay in place, no matter how much you cluck and strut. Whether it's Halloween, a costume party, or a school play, this kit is your go-to accessory. It brings joy and character to any event. Get ready to stand out. What we like. This kit provides an instant and fun transformation into a chicken character with its comfortable faux fur headband. The adjustable foam beak ensures a great fit for various users. If you need a quick, easy, and amusing costume for a play, party, or just some silly fun, this set is an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no helpful points can be extracted. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.